Hey everyone, happy Monday and welcome back to another episode of Ichimi. So on today's episode, we are actually going to talk about a very unique design earphones and it is called the Huawei FreeBuds Lipstick. And apparently, this is their new wireless earbuds that comes with a lipstick looking case. And in other news, Xiaomi and Swarovski has teamed up to offer a very special version of the Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE phone and necklace bundle. All of this and more on today's episode Ichimi, so stay tuned. The Bukit Aman Commercial Crime Investigation Department reported that there have been a total of 8,162 cases of e-commerce fraud with losses amounting to 57.73 million ringgit nationwide as of 31st of October 2021. The amount increased since last year as there were a total of 5,848 cases in 2020 involving a total loss of 35.88 million ringgit. Investigating Officer and Assistant Superintendent Muhammad Sadun Sabrin said that the reported cases have continued to increase. In 2018, there were only 3,318 cases losses amounting to 22.39 million ringgit. But the situation worsened in 2020 when the COVID-19 pandemic hit. The self-quarantine period during the year resulted in a rise in online shopping, and with that also came the increase in e-commerce fraud cases. The increase of e-commerce fraud cases in 2021 makes sense with Malaysia's extended CMCO. However, it is also upsetting that people are still being scammed specifically through online shopping schemes. Here's a reminder to not give out your personal information or be too generous in sharing your personal data as the scammers will use it against you. And if you are shopping online on e-commerce platforms, you will also have to look out for fake online stores that sells counterfeit items. Xiaomi and Swarovski has teamed up to offer a special edition of the Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE phone and necklace bundle. Dubbed as the Discover Lite with Swarovski, the limited edition phone is now available to purchase here in Malaysia. According to Xiaomi Malaysia, the premium gift set will be available exclusively on authorized Xiaomi stores from the 11th of November 2021. And in terms of pricing, the device with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage can be yours for 1,399 ringgit, while the high-spec variant that comes with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage is priced at 1,599 ringgit. The device comes in 4 colors including the signature Snowflake White, Truffle Black, Bubblegum Blue, and also Peach Pink. And if you're interested, you can actually pick your ideal color variant of the phone and take note that stocks are limited and sold on a first-come, first-served basis. Interestingly, the limited edition bundle is priced the same as buying the Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE standalone. So what will buyers get is a limited edition box that contains both the phone as well as the Swarovski signature swan necklace. According to the press statement, the pendant is embellished with a gradation of blue crystals to add elegance and sophistication to any look, night or day. And in terms of specs, this device comes with a 6.55-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, a Snapdragon 778G processor, a triple camera setup, and also a 4,250 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charging. Plus, Malaysia Berhad and also Celcom have announced a collaboration with the aim to unlock a seamless mobility experience and co-create sustainable value for Malaysian communities. Utilizing the Celcom's 4G LTE connectivity and also Internet of Things platforms, the collaboration will accelerate Plus's aspiration to become the first smart highway of the future. The partnership will kick off the development of a smart fleet management solution which tracks vehicles, monitor driver safety and health, and manage vehicle maintenance. The solution aims at improving the efficiency and productivity of vehicle fleets and enhancing the safety of highway communities. The Smart Fleet Management solution will be offered exclusively to Plus Track members. The solution will greatly benefit companies with a large fleet of vans and lorries as drivers are tracked in real time and it encourages them to drive safely according to the planned route while minimizing unnecessary downtime. Huawei has revealed that they will be launching the Huawei FreeBuds Lipstick here in Malaysia next week. As the name suggests, this is their new wireless earbuds that comes with a lipstick-looking case. The brand claims that they are making a new trend in ultra-chic design and the earbuds are innovatively equipped for a superior and smarter audio experience. According to Huawei, the new FreeBuds lipstick will be launched on the 20th of November 2021 and it will be sold on their online store as well as Lazada and Shopee. According to the teaser, it appears that the cosmetic-inspired product will be priced above 1,000 ringgit, which is almost double the price of the FreeBuds 4. In the UK, it is priced at 199 GBP, which is around 1,108 ringgit. In terms of design, the earbuds, which comes in red, look virtually identical to the FreeBuds 4. Instead of having a two-floss puck design for the case, the FreeBuds lipstick gets a rather upmarket looking case in black with gold highlights. The buds used an open-fit heart-shaped design with producing stems that support swipe, press and tap gestures. Alright, so that's it from me today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like this video if you liked it and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and just click on the notification bell icon so you won't miss any of our future videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!